So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Ghibli art of images in a ChatGPT. Now, in order to do it, for example, let me just quickly open the ChatGPT. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here, simply attach your photo. For example, if I want Ghibli art for this one, I just simply need to type make Ghibli art from this image. Now it will take some time depending upon the process request, and once you send it, now it will start creating the image. And once the image is ready, you will either get the notification. You can for now easily close this tab. It may take 2 to 5 minutes to generate a better version. Here you're gonna see the process is started, and once the process finished, your Ghibli art is ready to use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.